First, install the floor aluminum channel, securing it with expansion screws spaced no more than 600 millimeters apart. Next, install the cleanroom panels on the walls, connecting corners with external rounded edges. Use center-shaped aluminum connectors between panels. Assemble the remaining panels sequentially using the same method. Install windows according to the drawing layout, reserving space for door openings. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Install flush-mounted doors. Proceed to ceiling work. Seal the top edge with aluminum channels. Install square leveling feet. Adjust to achieve level elevation. First, insert screws into the aluminum channel slots of the suspension beams. Adjust the height of the square leveling adjusters, then tighten the screws. Insert the handmade panels into the aluminum channel beams. Use aluminum channel profiles to connect the panels. Secure the aluminum channel beams and cleanroom panels with rivets. Install the inner arcs and inner teeth at the top. Final floor treatment. Apply adhesive with a scraper. Lay the PVC flooring. Install the cleanroom base from the interior outward.